If the Prime Minister is using this as a personal tool, meaning if the data is arriving on the Prime Minister's desk, then that's totally criminal. During the last Parliament session, we had raised this issue of Pegasus, and because we felt that it was an attack on the democratic structure, on the foundations of our nation. And we had jointly blocked Parliament. So today, the Supreme Court has given its opinion and basically supported what we were saying. What we were saying, we were asking three basic questions. Who authorized Pegasus? Which agency, which person authorized Pegasus? As we all know, Pegasus cannot be bought by a private individual. It has to be bought by a government. It is a weapon. So our first question was, who authorized Pegasus? Our second question was, who are the victims of Pegasus? Who was it used against? Because there is a list of people, including politicians, opposition leaders, BJP members, Supreme Court people. So there's a Chief Justice of India, there's a list of people. So we asked, who are these people that have been attacked? And the final thing was, and I think this is a very important thing, did any other country have access to information of our people? Were they privy? Was this data kept with them? And we didn't get any answer. In fact, no reply was given to us. Pegasus is an attempt to crush Indian democracy. It's an attempt to make sure that the vibrancy of the democracy, the conversation that takes place in a democracy are crushed and people are controlled. So it's a big step that the Supreme Court has said that they're going to look into this matter. I'm confident that we will get the truth out of this. Now it is in the court का मैटर है, तो वो इंक्वायरी हो रही है, बट हम चाहेंगे पार्लियामेंट में इसका डिस्कशन हो. और देखिए, ये पेगासस जो है, ये या प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने ऑर्डर किया है या फिर होम मिनिस्टर ने ऑर्डर किया है. ये कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकता है. और अगर प्रधानमंत्री ने हमारे ही देश पर किसी और देश से मिलकर आक्रमण किया है, तो फिर इस पे प्रधानमंत्री की व्यू हम सुनना चाहते हैं. क्या उन्होंने किया है? और अगर किया है तो क्यों किया है? क्योंकि अगर हम लीगली देखें तो पेगासस इज इलीगल. इट इज नॉट लीगल इन इंडिया टू डू स्नूपिंग यूजिंग पेगासस. तो वी वुड लाइक टू नो व्हाई द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज डूइंग एन इलीगल एक्ट. ही इज नॉट अबव the nation, he's not above the institutions. Was this information that was coming, जो ये पेगासस से जो डेटा मिल रहा था, इसमें चीफ मिनिस्टर्स थे, फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स थे, क्या ये जो डेटा आ रहा था, ये क्या प्रधानमंत्री को मिल रहा था? ये क्या होम मिनिस्टर को दिया जा रहा था? ये हम जानना चाहते हैं. क्योंकि अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो फोन है, जो टैप हो रहा है, अगर उसका डेटा प्रधानमंत्री को जा रहा है, अगर सीसी का डेटा, ऑपोजिशन लीडर्स का डेटा प्रधानमंत्री को जाए, दिस इज अ क्रिमिनल एक्ट. दिस इज अ डीपर प्रॉब्लम, राइट? एज आई सेड, if the Prime Minister of India was privy to this information. I'd say it's one thing if you are using Pegasus to find out about terrorism, you're using Pegasus to find out about national security, that's a different issue. There are questions even about that, but that's a different issue. But if the Prime Minister is using this as a personal tool, meaning if the data is arriving on the Prime Minister's desk, then that's totally criminal, right? And we will follow that up. We will make sure that that is followed up. Governments have been dropped, right? Governments have been dropped. In Karnataka, the government was dropped using Pegasus.